Earning more profit from a YouTube channel requires a combination of strategies and consistent effort. Here are some steps to help you maximize your earnings. 1. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing engaging, valuable, and original content that resonates with your target audience. 2. Use good video and audio equipment to ensure high-quality production. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags. 3. Use compelling and relevant video titles and descriptions to improve discoverability. Include relevant keywords and tags to help your videos appear in search results. 4. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a regular uploading schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more content. 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos to foster a sense of community. Listen to your audience's feedback and make improvements based on their suggestions. 6. Monetize your channel. Enable Monetizing by joining the YouTube Partner Program (IP). Once eligible, you can earn money through ads, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat during live streams. 7. Diversify income streams. In addition to ads, explore other revenue streams, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. 8. Collaborate with brands. Partner with brands that align with your content and audience for sponsored videos or affiliate marketing opportunities. 9. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms to increase visibility and attract more subscribers. Collaborate with other YouTubers to tap into their audiences and gain exposure. 10. Understand your analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and watch time. Tailor your content strategy based on these insights. 11. Stay informed and adapt. Keep up with changes in YouTube's policies and algorithms to adapt your strategy accordingly. 12. Protect your content. Beware of copyright and fair use guidelines to avoid content strikes that can negatively impact your monetization. 13. Invest in promotion and SEO. Learn about search engine optimization (SEO) to improve your video's discoverability. Consider investing in online advertising or promotions to reach a broader audience. 14. Build a website and email list. Creation, website, or landing page to capture email addresses from your audience for newsletters and promotions. Remember that building a profitable YouTube channel takes time and persistence. It may take a while before you start seeing substantial earnings. Focus on providing value to your viewers and growing your subscriber base, and the revenue will follow as your channel gains popularity.